Rewrite each of the following as a base 10 numeral. For part A, we have 8 times 10 to the 5th plus 7 times 10 to the 3rd plus 6. B is 7 times 10 to the 6th plus 2. Now for part A, to write 8 times 10 to the 5th plus 7 times 10 to the 3rd plus 6 in base 10, we determine the place value of each digit corresponding to each term. Each term of the given expression represents the value of the respective digit in the number written in base 10. Now the term 8 times 10 to the 5th power, well 10 to the 5th power is 100,000. That represents the value of the digit 8 in the numeral with place value 100,000. The term 7 times 10 to the 3rd, well 10 to the 3rd is 1,000. So therefore that represents the value of the digit 7 in the numeral with place value 1,000. The term 6 represents the value of the digit 6 in the numeral with place value 1. Now it says all other places should get 0 placed in them. So let's write this out. So we have 8 times 10 to the 5th. The next place value should have a 0, so that would be 0 times 10 to the 4th. Plus we have 7 times 10 to the 3rd. And then plus 0 times 10 to the 2nd power. Plus 0 times 10 to the 1st power. And that's plus 6 times 10 to the 0 power, because 10 to the 0 power is the same thing as 1. So therefore, you're going to see the following. We have 8, and there's 8, and we have our 0, 0, 7, 7, and then 0, 0, and then 6. Okay, now let's take a look at part B. Part B, it says write 7 times 10 to the 6th plus 2 as a base 10 numeral and determine the place value of each digit corresponding to each term. Well, the term 7 times 10 to the 6th, well 10 to the 6th is the same thing as a million, and that's going to represent the value of the digit 7 in the numeral place with million. The term 2 represents the value of the digit 2 in the numeral place with the place value 1. And then all other places should get 0 placed in them. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have 7. Go ahead back here. We have 7 times 10 to the 6th plus 0 times 10 to the 5th plus 0 times 10 to the 4th plus 0 times 10 to the 3rd plus 0 times 10 to the 2nd power plus 0 times 10 to the 1st power plus 2 times 10 to the 0 power, because again, anything to the 0 power is going to equal 1. So we got 7, and then we have the following zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have the digit 2.